Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to optimize your uploads. So you've uploaded documents, made flashcards, created bundles, split the documents, and now you want to make sure that the content you uploaded to the platform is being found, both on Stuvia itself and via Google. I say Google because this is super important. 80% of all the people who visit Stuvia first start their journey on Google, and we have to tell Google a lot about the documents in order for them to be found. In this tutorial, we'll be optimizing these class notes. So I click on the class notes. First, you want to check that the right school and course are linked to the document. Virginia and Commonwealth University, Marketing 320. This is good. Second, if I've written the document for a specific textbook, I also want to make sure that it's linked up in the right way. I can see here it's not yet linked to a book, but I want to do this because I've written it for a book called International Marketing. Is the book fully covered? No, I've only covered chapter 1 to 8. I can save this information. The third thing you want to do is check the title, description, and subjects. This title, class notes, does not really tell a lot about the documents. We can optimize it. We can say these are class notes for Marketing 320. And we only covered classes 1 to 5. Classes 1 to 5. Written for the book International Marketing, chapters 1 to 8. As you can see, this tells a lot more about the document itself. I can do the same thing while describing my document. These are my notes for classes 1 to 5. I can also say that this course involves key concepts such as international advertising and social media management. Done. Again, this tells a lot more. You can write as much as you want here. The more information you provide, the better your document will be found. I save it. Last, I can choose to optimize my price. Right now, I set the price to $9.50, so I'll be making around $6 every sale. As I've already sold the documents a few times, I can choose to increase the price to $11.50, and now I'll make over $7.50 each sale. I'm confident and I can save this. Done. We've optimized this document, and as we can see right now in the document itself, when we look for it on the platform, we can see the new title, the new description, and the new price. This will make it stand out a lot more. And this information is also covered in all of the pages on Stuvia, such as the overview of the course, where you can now see the new title and the new description. The last thing we can do to optimize our store is to go to our profile and create a seller profile page. You already have a seller profile page, but it's very basic. You can give a better title for your shop or describe your store a bit more. So I'm saying I'm Sell Notes Online, the #1 resource for passing exams at Virginia Commonwealth University. If we look at the page, this will show a lot more about you and all the documents you just uploaded. Again, this really helps to boost your professionalism and make you more creditable as a seller. And this is it. These are the steps you can take in order to optimize your uploads in store. I hope this really helps. Good luck on selling.